Hi guys, Marco here. Today we are not exactly talking about AI, but something that you will use all the time. Also, if you do some AI application. Integration with database. And I just wanted to have a fun project. Substitute this. This is my diving logbook. Imagine if by chance this falls into the water, gets lost, anything can happen. No, I want to have something online saved in a database, okay? And I took two approaches. Just vibe coding, that's the easy way. So tell the LLM do A, B, C and see what comes out. And then something a bit more sustainable, working the backend first, and later on I will eventually do a front end. Let's see what it gives and let's dive in the code. So, as I was saying, this is my dive logbook app. This is the main branch for the moment. Something that I just coded with a friend and we did a lot of vibe coding. It works, yes. What I don't like of this version, well, not easy to understand, okay? Here you have a mix. This is a Cascade style sheet. Here's the API to search the club. Wow, at least this is clean code, but still. And here you have the Markdown files automatically made. However, not even one test. You don't know, just if you install, if this will work or not. Spoiler, it will. Me and my friend Giulio, we tried it, but I don't find it very sustainable. So what did I do? Rewrite it almost from scratch, but keep the same idea. And I did a Python implementation. Okay? I will fix later GitHub. Different story. Here you have the app. Okay, I still use some vibe coding, Cloud code, but still, here you have a package. You have the main app, okay, with FastAPI. You have the endpoints, very clear, where you can post your data, which is in this case is a JSON with all the parameters of your dive. We will see it later. And an integration to Convex. So you send all your data to the main point. There is some logic where I call a service that searches for the website of the club when you put the club name. Okay, you don't have to enter it manually, but it will search. For example, Marseille. Here is an imaginary one, Marseille Dive Club. It searches DuckDuckGo and returns the first entry. Small logic, but still integrates with the API. That's important. So you call it from main.py. Import search club website. And is a good practice to have your logic in separate files and import it here. Don't write big spaghetti code in main.py, please. Here you define the model of a dive, so the user, which is you essentially, but you may have your partner that is also wants to be in your database, is also diving with you, and why not? So dive number, of course, it can be your first dive, but it can also be your 100th dive. Who knows? And so on. The depth, duration. This is not a diving course, so you can see it later on in GitHub. And here, a simple post, okay? Endpoint. Simple as that. Here is the payload that you defined earlier. That's it. If error, status code 400, very standard. And what does it do? It integrates with Convex. What is Convex? For who doesn't know, voila! Convex is a service where you can create projects and you can create database and tables. These two tables, I haven't used them, but these love spots, this will be maybe for a later implementation. But importantly, here we have already the table dives, okay? With all the fields that I defined earlier on, okay? Now, I already inserted a value, but let's delete it, okay? For the sake of trying. Okay, now we have an empty table. And how do we know that this works? Do we have to build a website, go through the website? Absolutely not. Okay? That's not the way you should test your apps. Making the whole app and then see if it works. And if it doesn't work, who knows where it fails? Let's log the error. Oh yeah, maybe let's try even some code snippets. Then on. Let's search, you see, like searching in the dark. No, absolutely not. As everybody knows who has done a bit of software engineering, test-driven development. Voila. Here is the test drive absurd. I can also make a test for this function, by the way, but not for the moment being. And here I have all the unit tests, okay? Here I define some valid dive data. And here some minimal one where I don't say anything. I can test a dive success, so that is absurd. What do you do in this test? You use this library, Magic Mock, okay? Async mock, Magic Mock. So those are unit test mocks. So you simulate a database. Okay, to test the API is fine, but will it really work? That's why, after all this, I decided to do an integration test, okay? So, test post and retrieve dive by ID. If I insert the dive with a certain ID, dive number 1 in the database, I retrieve it with the get with the get endpoint, dives, and we can insert the dive ID here, okay? And it will return me the right value. Let's see how it works. That's it. Passed. Did it work in the database? Well, that's it. That's the dive that I already asserted, okay? Of course, there is more to it. I will add other functions. I will integrate a front end. This is just the base. However, this shows clearly the difference between just vibe coding something that sort of works and properly coding something from scratch, almost, okay? You define the table schema, you have clearly in your mind what the fields are, and then you build step by step. The API in Python, Convex integration, and you test everything. Okay, that was it. For the moment, I keep my logbook. It's not finished yet, the app, so next dive will be still on paper. However, I invite you to subscribe the channel and see you at the next video.